I think I would primarily call myself an iPhone user. I've been rocking the iPhone 16 Pro for the last like 9 months or so, and this is an amazing phone. But as you can see, this is not Canada behind me. It could be, but it is not. I'm actually in Indonesia for a reason. I'm here for the launch of this, the OPPO Reno14 series phone. And I thought it'd be fun to become an OPPO user for the day and show you a side-by-side comparison of what the images out of this, as well as some of the features, look like in comparison to the iPhone, and so that you can see it yourself. And we're gonna kickstart it with some surfing lessons because apparently this phone is waterproof. So on that note, welcome to Indonesia, and thank you OPPO for having me. Okay, genuinely, be honest in the comments section. Who is using their iPhone or any of the phones that they have confidently around water? Still, anytime I have electronics around water, I just don't trust it. But we're gonna build the confidence today, and we're gonna then get some photos of the pro surfer who's teaching me, my coach. All right, are we going surfing now?
Yes, let's go.
Yes, let's go. Here's our boards. Can you please shoot some photos of me while I'm surfing?
I would love to do that.
All right, let's cut to out there. I can't bring this big camera. Woo! I did the two things that I was looking to do. Learn how to get up better on a surfboard, and I ran my first line. We're gonna hop back into the water. I'm gonna go and take some photos of our instructor because he's a pro. And so I thought it'd be fun. POV, we'll attach the Insta360 X5 right here, and then I'll get some photos with the OPPO Reno14 Pro.
I don't know if I can.
Okay, the water test I think went really well. But the part that I was most impressed with is that when you're in the underwater mode and you get out of the underwater mode, it has like a vibration that actually clears all of the water from the microphone and some of the ports. And I think that is something that should be in every phone that encourages you to dip in the water. Here, I'm gonna show you what that is in this little like bucket over here. So we're gonna put this into the underwater mode, continue, and then it gives you the options right there at the top. It says like take photo, record video, and then turn screen off. But when you turn the screen off, so let's dunk this in the water, like that. All right, definitely has, you know, water in it. When you turn the screen off, okay, it's going like that, 3, 2, 1, listen. It gets rid of the water in the microphone. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
It's okay?
Yeah, it's great. No problem.
Yeah, OPPO. OPPO. I was thinking like a, oh my god. That's
Cool,
good.
right? I'm gonna go we'll look at the footage. I'll go show you.
Okay.
Oh yeah. All right, welcome to our villa in Bali. This room that we're staying in is about $130 Canadian per night. I thought I'd do a little room tour of our Mangosteen Villa, that's the name of it, and you can do a little comparison against the OPPO and the iPhone, and you can see the video quality side by side yourself. I'll include the like lenses that I'm using in the corner. All right, here's the tour of our villa. I want to switch over to photo now. I'm going to test a few things. One, portrait mode and just the general photo comparison so you can see them side by side. But also there's this thing called AI reflection removal. Basically, you can take a photo and then if there's like reflections in the glass, like, you know, you would see of me right there. Apparently, AI can just remove it built right into like the Photos app. So we're going to test that out. And Charlotte is going to be our model. Okay. Let's test out portrait mode here on the 48mm. That looks, oh yeah, amazing. These textures in the background are stunning. And we're just gonna go into normal photo mode. We'll do the one, that looks really nice. Okay, so what I can really see is that there's like a lot of the tree here. And we'll see if it's able to remove the tree in the background here. So we're gonna grab this image. Got some of the foliage. How do you say that?
Foliage.
Foliage. Let's remove it so I never have to use that word. Okay, remove reflections. It is doing the analyzing here. Mine, second Charlotte. There we go, it has removed it. Let's see. Comparing on.
Oh, nice.
I wanted to share with you one of my favorite parts from the launch event for this phone in Jakarta. Basically, they had this contest where they invited people from the audience to try to see how fast they can open and close apps on this phone because it is so blazing fast because of the chips that are inside. So I thought I would attempt that to showcase how fast it is while I explain to you with a voiceover the different chips and the AI processors that are inside this thing. So let's start it in 3, 2, 1. This whole setup runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 8450 chip, the first in the world to use the new Cortex A725 all-big core design. It's got a dedicated AI processor, the NPU 880, with a generative AI engine that boosts performance by 54% and improves energy efficiency by up to 18%. I am not the best at this app game. I think I would have lost if I had participated, but as you can see, it is very fast. Okay, so we just took a scooter right here. Go see a temple show. And as we're pulling up, you gotta see this. This is so funny. Maybe I can do the dual camera shot here. And hopefully he doesn't take it, but hello, sir. What is your name? Nope. And what I've learned is don't get close to them. All right, I'm gonna vlog the rest of the evening on the OPPO. As we enter the temple, keep it low key. We're about to get dressed into the traditional informal gowns here so that we can enter the temple out of respect. But yeah, those monkeys are a little freaky. Hi. So as you can see, the monkeys are everywhere here. And they actually like to go after your phone, so terrified because I've shot the entire trip on this. That wouldn't be a fun story for the OPPO. What happened to your phone? A monkey stole it. That doesn't sound right. Unless you are in Indonesia and you've been hanging out in Uluwatu, then maybe they would believe it. I'm officially back from Indonesia and I lost my voice. I maybe have like 5 minutes of talking, so I'll get to it. Before we wrap, what features do you hope to see in the iPhone 17 launch this fall? Now, after using this phone, the OPPO Reno14 Pro, it's obvious that this company is leaning very heavily into AI right now. On the photography side, we have AI Recompose to get better framed shots. We have AI Flash to get better lighting. And then we also have AI Perfect Shot to change the expressions of people's faces in photos, all to get better images ultimately. But do you want to know one of my favorite AI features? If you take a screenshot, it will use AI to analyze it and then take the information from that and put it into your notes. In terms of my workflow, that is something that is extremely useful. Now, I just want to be clear, I am not saying that one phone is better than the other, but I do appreciate that OPPO is using AI in a way that is pushing the entire industry forward. That is a benefit to everyone, especially us, the consumers. So hopefully Apple is watching and we'll see a lot of the innovation that's from this phone show up in this phone this fall. So let me know in the comment section which features you hope to see in any smartphone being launched in the following year. And on that note, thank you guys so so much for watching. Please press like, it actually makes a difference. Subscribe, hit the bell to be notified for future videos. We'll catch you in the next one. This is officially what I'm doing for the rest of the day. Actually, I'm going to Japan in an hour. It's been 4 days since I've been home. Maybe I should just chill for a little bit.